good people? I'm back again with another video, and just before we get into it, I want to request everyone watching, listening, whatever, please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Like the videos, comment on the videos, share the channel, all that good stuff. Repost, whatever you want to call it, and share it, man. Let's start getting this channel a bit more social, a bit more active, all that good stuff. But yeah, I got a pair of trainers today where I've actually seen a lot of times, a whole bunch of times, and I haven't ever bought them. And I'll explain why I haven't ever bought them. It's just one bit of the design just annoyed me, so I didn't buy them. I got them at a good price now, so obviously when you find them nice and cheap, you gotta do a bargain buy review. But let's get into this, man. That green Puma box, which is famous on my channel, always on this channel, Puma green on white, Puma. And it also does have a notice saying some color migration can occur due to the nature of the material. Okay. Again, Puma green and white. Sizing chart, famous on the Pumas. Just explains a little bit what it is, or material, little information, logos, copyrights, trademarks, right reserves, all of that good stuff. But let's get into the good bit, the name. So these are the PUMA RS Fast. They are black and white, and the size is UK 9.5, centimeters 28.5, US 10.5, Europe 44. But yeah, sizing wise, this is half a size down, so I don't think it's going to fit me properly, but this is just a bargain buy review. And let's get into the trainers. Bam. Puma RS Fast. So we can just start off from the bottom, as this sole has been on my channel 100 times as well. The running system sole is slightly different, looks slightly different to normal ones, but yeah, same old black and white sole. Then the midsole, this is actually different. Look, it's got, that's not just a regular random white scribble, that's actually the Puma logo, which is quite cool. But it's also the reason I didn't buy this trainer. This I thought should have been across here. I'm just not a fan of this Puma logo for some reason. Put this there, right there, job done. And yep, on the back, R system. Yeah, R dash system. Just a little random squiggle, random, plastic back tab, quite solid. Puma heel tab, yeah, heel loop, bit of neoprene there. What is that material? It's almost cloth. Yeah, cloth. A bit of that tape. Plastic on neoprene, so plastic logo, Puma logo. One thing that annoys me, man, these mesh toe boxes. Everything else is, leather, neoprene. This mesh toe box, but it's alright, whatever. Wrap around on the toe box, obviously leather. Puma logo there. I don't really know what that is. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention little lightning bolt, probably for fast or whatever you want to call it. Puma, and then Puma upside down, maybe if you know, you're looking at them and you want to remember what your trainers are, you can see they're Pumas. R system there. It's got a lot of information, these trainers. Black and white lace loops, rounded laces, all that good stuff. It's just a normal tongue. And then again, neoprene, the little plastic, whatever, leather, thunderbolt. Yeah, man, these trainers have a lot of information in them. That's one thing I have to say. That's what they look like with the laces done up. Let's get all this stuff out. A lot of information on these trainers. I think they're really nice on foot, or they would look nice on foot. I've seen them on foot before. I think they look better on foot than they do here. Yeah, I don't know. I think on foot way better. Trying to help you visualize. There'll always be an on foot video at the end of my normal videos anyway. That same kind of cushioned R system sole, you know, with the little instep padding, you know, that heel padding, and that blue color, all that good stuff. But yeah, overall I'd say these trainers are quite, you know, they're not ugly. They grow on me more, or they've grown on me more just seeing them. So I actually quite like these. As compared to like RSX RSZ and them stuff, those I would always like more. These definitely I'd say come in like the third place or something. I can't remember off the top of my head. Is there any other Puma I like? No, I'd say RSX RSZ. And then these, yeah, wow, third place. Lucky Puma RS fast trainers. Yeah, I'd say even these can be worn, you know, casual. Someone with tracksuits, etc. And they could also be worn in the gym, you know, quite sporty. Don't feel heavy at all. Quite light. Not a bad trainer at all, to be honest. I really like it. I think it's a nice clean colorway. I haven't seen many other colorways. I think if I did see other colorways of these, you know, I may like those less. I think this looks like the best colorway. So all black, black and white, all white, black with a bit of color. You know, them type of colorways I'd always like. Anything else, I don't think I'm the biggest fan of. And that's just because, you know, sometimes it goes right, sometimes it doesn't. And yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, leave a comment on if you like these, if you don't like these, what you would change about these. Like I said, with this, I would have this here, whoosh, all the way back. And then this can just go on, you know, back here or the tongue. I really do like them though. Yeah, top three Pumas. Apart from that, I don't really have much to say, to be honest. But yeah, make sure you leave a like on the video, leave a comment on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and all that good stuff. And as always, there's an on-foot video to follow. As always, I'll post on-foot videos separately, and you know, press that bell icon and stay ready for many more videos. That's the least I can do. But yeah, that's all for me for now. Thank you very much for watching, especially if you watched this much or this long. And as always, take care, people.